Thanks to People's Online Banking, you can bank anytime, anywhere, and on any device. The wire upload function allows you to upload a formatted CSV file containing multiple wire transfers to the online banking system instead of inputting the wire information manually. Select New Payment and the desired wire transaction type from the menu. Select the Upload from File link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click the vertical dots next to the system standard mapping type. To view a sample file, click the View Specifications option. A sample file will be available to open in a CSV format. Select the Use option to upload a CSV formatted wire file. Make sure all required fields are completed. Review all information and select Draft or Approve depending upon your user entitlements. To define a custom file format, click the New Mapping button on the File Mapping Management screen. Reference the File Mapping Management video for more information about this feature.